Hello, and welcome to Music Theory Lesson 8. In our previous lesson, we learned about the natural minor scale. We explored its pattern of tones and semitones, and we learned how minor scales relate to major scales. But the natural minor is only one form of the minor scale. In this lesson, we are going to explore two other common forms, the harmonic minor scale and the melodic minor scale. Both of these scales are closely related to the natural minor scale, but have scale degrees that are altered with sharps or flats. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and construct all three forms of the minor scale. Let's begin with a quick review. Here's the A natural minor scale: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. A natural minor contains no sharps or flats. Its pattern of tones and semitones is tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Because harmonic and melodic minor are both based on the natural minor scale, it is important to begin by identifying the notes of the natural form. From there, we can alter the necessary scale degrees. Let's begin with harmonic minor. To change a natural minor scale into a harmonic minor scale, we raise the seventh scale degree by one semitone. The seventh scale degree is raised when the scale travels upward and when it travels downward. Let's use A minor as our example. The notes of the A natural minor scale are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now, let's number the notes. A is scale degree 1, B is scale degree 2, C is scale degree 3, D is scale degree 4, E is scale degree 5, F is scale degree 6, G is scale degree 7. To create A harmonic minor, we raise the seventh scale degree, G, by one semitone. G becomes G sharp. The A harmonic minor scale is therefore A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. When the scale descends, the G sharp remains raised. A, G sharp, F, E, D, C, B, A. Raising the seventh scale degree places it only one semitone below the tonic. In A harmonic minor, G sharp is one semitone below A. This raised seventh scale degree is called the leading tone because it creates a strong pull toward the tonic. Listen to the difference. First, here is G moving to A. Now, here is G sharp moving to A. The G sharp sounds as though it strongly wants to resolve upward to A. This stronger pull toward the tonic is one of the reasons the harmonic minor scale is especially useful when creating harmony and chords in a minor key. Now, let's look at melodic minor. The melodic minor scale changes depending on whether it is ascending or descending. When the scale ascends, the sixth and seventh scale degrees are raised by one semitone. When the scale descends, it returns to the natural minor form. Let's begin again with A natural minor. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Scale degree 6 is F. Scale degree 7 is G. When the scale ascends, F becomes F sharp and G becomes G sharp. The ascending A melodic minor scale is A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. When the melodic minor scale descends, the sixth and seventh scale degrees return to their natural minor forms. F sharp returns to F, G sharp returns to G. The descending A melodic minor scale is A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Notice that the descending form contains the same notes as A natural minor. This gives us an important rule. Melodic minor raises scale degrees 6 and 7 when ascending and returns to natural minor when descending. The example on page 2 shows A melodic minor ascending with F sharp and G sharp, then descending with F natural and G natural. Let's compare all three forms of the A minor scale. A natural minor, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. There are no altered scale degrees. A harmonic minor, A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. Scale degree 7 is raised in both directions. A melodic minor ascending, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Scale degrees 6 and 7 are raised. A melodic minor descending, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. The descending scale returns to natural minor. All three scales have the same tonic and begin with the same natural minor foundation. The difference is found in scale degrees 6 and 7. To construct a harmonic minor scale, first write the natural minor scale. Next, identify the seventh scale degree. Raise the seventh scale degree by one semitone. Keep the raised seventh in both ascending and descending forms. For example, suppose we begin with D natural minor. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. The seventh scale degree is C. Raise C by one semitone to C sharp. D harmonic minor is D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D. To construct a melodic minor scale, first write the natural minor scale. Next, identify the sixth and seventh scale degrees. Raise both notes by one semitone when ascending. Return both notes to their natural minor forms when descending. Using D minor again, the natural form is D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. The sixth scale degree is B flat. Raising B flat by one semitone gives us B natural. The seventh scale degree is C. Raising C by one semitone gives us C sharp. D melodic minor ascending is D, E, F, G, A, B natural, C sharp, D. Descending, it returns to natural minor D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. First, do not raise both scale degrees 6 and 7 in harmonic minor. Harmonic minor raises only scale degree 7. Second, do not forget that harmonic minor keeps the raised seventh when descending. Third, remember that traditional melodic minor is different in each direction. Raise scale degrees 6 and 7 while ascending, but return to natural minor while descending. Finally, always begin by writing the natural minor scale correctly. If the natural minor scale is incorrect, the harmonic and melodic forms will also be incorrect. In the next lesson, we'll explore 16th notes, dotted rhythms, and compound meter, including 6/8 time. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video and follow along for the rest of the music theory series. You can also find the printable lessons and worksheets in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Thanks for watching.